Hey guys, guess what? Today is the Rachel's singing show.
Wow, that's amazing, Elio.
Yeah, and we're going to sing on stage and we got to be there on time. Because the show starts tonight at 8 o'clock.
That's great. I can't wait to sing on the stage.
Me too. Whoa, what in the world was that? Walter, is that you getting the hiccups?
Yes, when I was singing so loud, I got the hiccups.
Uh-oh, that is not good. And you can't sing with those hiccups.
I know because I won't be able to sing.
Guys, we need to think of a way to get rid of Walter's hiccups.
Oh, I know. How about a pineapple?
I'm not sure if it's going to get rid of it. Uh-oh, now I've got the hiccups.
Oh no, now we've all got the hiccups.
Yeah, and we'll never get to be in Rachel's singing show. Because we can't sing with those hiccups.
Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new episode of Rachel's show. And oh my, we got some special guests for you today. It's the Cousin Squad Singers.
Guys, what should we do to get rid of the hiccups?
Oh, I know. Let's try the hiccup cure. So if we jump 12 times, our hiccups will go away.
That will be a great idea, Elio. Let's do it.
Okay guys, get ready to jump.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, now let's see if our hiccups are gone.
I don't hear anything.
Yeah, that means our hiccups are gone. Uh-oh, you guys still have the hiccups.
Yeah, because your hiccups are already gone.
Yep, and we gotta try something else to get rid of your hiccups.
Hey, I got an idea. Why don't we tap our feet to make our hiccups go away?
That will be perfect, Mabel. Let's do it.
It's working. Our hiccups are going away by tapping our feet.
Yeah, and this will work it out.
A few minutes later.
Okay, we're all done tapping our feet. Now let's see if your hiccups are gone yet.
I don't hear any more hiccups.
Well, that's good then. Uh-oh, Walter, Miguel, and Leo still got the hiccups. And we need to try something more.
Hey, maybe you should look at a book to find something to get rid of the hiccups.
Great idea, Mabel. Uh-huh, I got it. Maybe a bathtub can get rid of the hiccups. And we got to make sure it's not too hot or not too cold. And it has to be just right.
That will be a great idea, Elio. Now let's go to the bathroom.
Okay, we're at the bathroom, and we're going to need something to make the water just right.
I know. How about we use a thermometer to make the temperature just right?
That's a great idea, Mabel. Whoa, the water is still cold.
That's right. That's because the blue side is cold and the red side is hot. And the green part is just right.
I know, but can you make the water just right?
Sure.
Hey, the water is just right. Turn the water off, Mabel. Alright, you three. Jump in the tub to see if your hiccups will go away.
You got it. Wow, this water feels nice.
Yeah, and the water is just right.
I agree with you, Lilo. Any hiccups are gone yet, guys?
Well, my hiccups are gone.
Oh no. That means Miguel and Walter are the only two that still got the hiccups. And we've got to do something else to get rid of your hiccups. So you guys get out of the bathtub.
Elio, is there anything you could do to get rid of our hiccups?
Let me see. How about a plane? And it says that you need to do loop-de-loop 15 times. And that will do the trick.
Great idea, Elio. And that will get rid of Miguel and my hiccups. So let's go outside.
Oh no. The tail feathers are broken. How are we going to fix the plane? Don't worry. I can fix it by using some super glue. There we go. The plane has been fixed. Alright, you two, get on the plane. And this will solve the trick. Alright, I'll count down from 15 while you do loop-de-loops. 15. 14. 13. 12. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Well done, guys. Now let's see if your hiccups are gone. Well, my hiccups are gone already. That's great, Miguel. Oh no. Walter is the only one left that doesn't got his hiccups away.
Yeah, because there's gotta be some way to get rid of my hiccups.
Maybe we should try the pineapple cure.
The pineapple cure?
Well, let me see about that.
Ah, here it is.
Pineapple. It says here, instead of saying pineapple, you should eat a pineapple.
Oh, do you think that will get rid of my hiccups?
Yes, it sure will, Walter. Now let's go to the kitchen. Here you go, Walter. It's all yours.
Thanks, Elio.
Okay, now let's see if your hiccups are gone away.
Hey, I don't have the hiccups anymore.
Yay! Finally, now everybody's hiccups are gone. And now, we're finally going to sing in Rachel's singing show.
Oh, where could Walter and his cousins be?
Guys, the show is starting soon. We need to get there. So let's go.
guys are. I'm so glad that you could make it.
Yes, we sure did.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce you to the Cousin Squad.
We're going on a trip in a favorite rocket ship, filling through the sky, little white stars.
Climb aboard.
Get ready to explore, there's a rush to find, little white stars. We're going on a mission.
Start the countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone should rocket.
Rev it up now.
Turn. We're going on a trip, get ready to rock the ship, filling through the sky, little white stars. Climb aboard, get ready to explore, there's a rush to find, little white stars. Come on, let's go. Little white stars, little white stars, yeah.
Thank you so much for coming.
That was amazing, guys. We did an amazing job singing on the stage.
Yes, we sure did, Elio. And our hiccups are gone away now. And we finally sing on the stage, and we did an awesome job singing.
Yeah, now let's go and have some macaroni and cheese for dinner.
Yeah, I love mac and cheese.
Me too.